Healthy living is a lifelong affair. The way to being healthy is eating a healthy diet, physical activity, weight management, and not forgetting stress management. Welcome to Foods 254, where we prepare and sample Kenyan delicacies and not forgetting the nutritional aspect of this food. So, our guest today, she is a chef by profession, a food lover, passionate about food. She works at Carrefour. I don't know how they say it, you know. So she's Lauren. Welcome to the show. Ambia wananchi more about you. Chef Lauren ni nani?
Yeah, so I'm Chef Lauren. I'm a chef by profession. I work at Carrefour. She said it's Carrefour.
Carrefour.
And I love cooking. I love everything about cooking. I love healthy living, healthy food, basically. So yeah.
Okay, so you're a chef by profession.
Yeah.
Is this something you desired to do your whole life, or it just came by, you know?
Actually, I wanted to do journalism.
You need to do journalism.
So, and then I started watching Food Network, you know, it's all about food. And then I was like, this is a course I could actually do.
So how old were you by then?
Just from high school.
Oh, just from high school.
Yeah. So I decided that I'm going to do food production. Yeah, and I went to study at Utalii.
Okay, so. At Utalii. Sema kwa nguvu. You know, Utalii is a big... Ulikuwa wapi? Hebu ambie.
Utalii College.
Utalii College. Okay, yeah. So what do you have for us today?
So today I'm going to prepare some garlic fried arrowroots.
Garlic fried arrowroots?
Yeah, with some coconut mbaazi.
Okay. Yeah. What did you say Mbaazi is in English?
Pigeon peas.
Pigeon peas. Pigeon peas. How my chefs.
Arrowroots are rich in potassium. They're a good source of potassium and manganese.
They control blood sugar too.
Yeah, they do. Yeah. And then pigeon peas is they're also good in controlling sugar too.
Yeah, they're and rich source of protein.
Yeah, it's a rich source.
It can actually substitute the meat.
Yeah, for vegetarians, this is a very perfect
rich source of protein.
Yep.
So what's the first thing that we're supposed to do?
Oh yeah, so the first thing we're going to do...
washing our hands. We've already washed our hands, guys. Mi leo niko na... Nona.
We did wash our hands.
Yeah.
So we're going to start with frying the mbaazi.
Okay.
I've put some vegetable oil, just a little, not too much. We're all about health, so... And then you put the onions.
So the first thing is we fry our onions?
Yeah, we're going to fry our onions and let them brown just a little bit.
Okay.
Then you're going to blend the onion.
Oh, I blend for you this.
Yeah.
Let me put this down.
That's fine. So we're going to put the tomato paste.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if I don't want to use the coconut milk, can I substitute it with anything else?
Yeah, you can use the nazi itself, the coconut.
The coconut itself.
Yeah, that juice from the coconut.
Okay.
Yeah. So and then we're going to add
the salt.
Yeah. That's it. That's enough. Or you can add just one. Yeah. So and then I'm going to put salt.
Okay. Okay. That's enough. Oh, sorry. She's the chef.
That's not that.
Are you for real?
Let me add a little. So after simmering, I'm going to put now the coconut milk.
Okay. Yote.
Well, I'm using my eyes to see if...
so that's around half a cup?
Yeah, basically. Yeah, I'm going to put all of it.
Okay. So that's a cup?
So we're going to let it simmer a little bit. And then we're going to add the mbaazi, because the mbaazi is already cooked. So we'll just put it for a little bit, and then that's it.
Okay.
Yeah, so the coconut milk has already simmered, so we're going to...
For how long?
For like 5 minutes. Okay. So we're going to add the Mbaazi, the pigeon peas.
Yeah.
The Mbaazi.
I don't know why they are called pigeon peas. Do you know?
Because I guess because they're in the family of peas. You know,
why the name pigeon? Anyway, we'll research on that.
I know pigeon is a bird, but I really don't know. So, my first time cooking this meal actually was when I knew how to cook this meal at my current workplace. Okay. I cook this a lot, and people love it a lot, because it's nice, and yeah, you can have it with...
It's tasty. You can have it with anything.
Anything. Ugali.
Oh, ugali too?
Yeah, the same way you have ugali with beans.
Ugali and beans.
And you can have it with rice, anything. Or even with chapo. Mostly people like it with chapo.
Chapati.
Yeah, Mbaazi. So we're going to do the garlic fried arrowroot. We have garlic, we have arrowroots, and some vegetable oil and some salt. Yeah, that's it.
Do we have to boil this, or you can just prepare it hivo?
You have to blanch. It's called blanch.
Okay.
Yeah, because if you boil it will mash. But now if you
so blanching is just it's like cooked. It's not cooked.
Yeah,
a little bit crunchy.
It's called al dente.
Al dente. Okay, whatever.
Yeah,
See, chef.
Yeah.
Okay, so
put a little bit of al dente, so that when you're frying it, it doesn't mash, because it's like potato, so it will mash if you overcook it.
Okay.
Yeah, so yeah, we're going to put the oil, just like maybe a teaspoon, just a little bit.
No tablespoon.
No tablespoon. I mean tablespoon, not teaspoon. Okay. And then we're going to put the garlic. From the clove, I've taken 4.
Okay.
And then now we add the arrowroot.
Oh, the arrowroot.
Yeah. So the oil was hot, so the garlic has already browned. Then we're going to add maybe salt, 2 pinches maybe, and then people can add to their taste. We're going to let it for 5 minutes, just a little bit. Yeah. For it low heat for it to get the garlic.
Do you think our piece are ready?
Yes, the piece is ready. So we're going to turn off the...
You turn off?
Yeah. So the piece is ready. It's that simple. It has taken us less.
Yeah.
Now that the Mbaazi is ready, we're going to prepare what we're going to garnish with the Mbaazi. So I'm going to cut avocado.
So you need avocado?
Yeah, I need avocado.
Avocado is expensive, Sai, Lorraine.
20, this is 20.
No, 50. I'm kidding. You need a knife.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the arrowroot, after 5 minutes or so, is ready. And yeah, you can remove it from heat. And that's it. The food is ready.
So it's serving time.
Yeah, so it's serving time. So we're going to start with the starch, the arrowroot. Yeah, my last word is, I hope you enjoy this meal. I hope when I hope we enjoy the meal.
Chef Lorraine, thank you. On behalf of Foods 254, we are very happy to have hosted you on the show. We hope you're going to come again next time. So back to the viewers. Actually, the cornerstone of eating healthy foods is should be to replace the processed foods with real food. And if you want to acquire a t-shirt, a Foods 254 t-shirt kama yangu, very cheap. We have the round necks, the polo t-shirts. We also have the hoodies. So anytime you want to acquire one, don't hesitate to call us. So that's all we had for today. See you again next time, same place, same time.